tripwire alarms using 12 gauge blank fires. And yes, that is my zombie collection in the background there, guys. Almost finished, ready for my video. What do you think of these guys so far? So these are the zombies. They're coming along. He's losing his face a little bit, his eyeballs. And then we got this guy. I'm still working on him, but he's almost done. And then we got this guy. He's pretty much finished now. And we've got this big guy up here. So yeah, my zombie collection. Hi guys, what we got here today is home tripwire alarms. So you stick that in there, lift that up, and they run on 12 gauge blank fire shells. So, and these are totally legal in the UK. You can put them around your tent when you're camping. You can have them to protect your house, your garden, your garage, your gate, whatever you want to use them for. So, but make sure you put blanks in there, not real ones. So this is the alarm. And like I showed you before, this is my wire I've got hooked up. That runs all the way over here. And then I have another one here. This one normally goes in the ground, but for the demonstration today, I've just screwed it to the wall. Same thing again, lift him up, chuck your pin in, and put your shell in. Anyone walks through the door then, it'll be detonated on both sides. Rigging up another two. So guys, a burglar's coming. He's gonna skate out the place. He's gonna try and rob your shed. But does he know what's waiting for him? So that's what's left of the shell after it explodes. Oh, so what do you think of that then, guys? Very good burglar alarms. My ears are still ringing. Oh God, yeah, they will wake you up. So like and subscribe. See you all on the next one. Bye bye, guys.